Hi, my name is Rob, and in this video I'm going to show you how our quantum document digitization system works. This tool uses OCR technology to read invoices and receipts automatically, saving you time and reducing errors. Using this system makes dealing with your purchase invoices fast, accurate, and stress-free. Any questions? Just contact us. We begin by going to the Document Digitization or Introduction section. This is where we can upload invoices, receipts, or any accounting documents that we want the system to process. To import a document, we simply click the Import box and select the file from our computer. Alternatively, we can drag and drop the document directly into the screen. While the system uploads the file, a message appears confirming that the document is being processed. Once uploaded, the document appears in the Intro classification screen. By default, this shows documents that are still pending posting, but we can filter by date, document type, or accounting status using the bar at the top. At the bottom right, we have two useful tools: Split Pages and Put Pages TGT. These allow us to separate pages from a multi-page PDF or to merge pages together into a single document if several belong to the same invoice. There is also a shortcut that shows the number of documents pending registration. Clicking it takes us straight to the same screen. Now we open the imported document. On the left, we see a scan of the invoice, and on the right, the information detected by the OCR system. We just need to check that the supplier details, invoice amounts, and VAT breakdown are correct. When everything is confirmed, we click Confirm and Count. The invoice is then recorded so it can be included in the relevant tax returns. We can later review all posted invoices in the Income Expenses section. So, that is how our OCR invoice scanning system works. It is a fast and reliable way to keep your accounting documents organized and ready for your tax returns. This service is part of the bookkeeping system we provide to all our clients. If you would like more information, just contact us.